Hi friends, welcome back to Simply Jain. This is your host Kashalisha. Today is a suggestion special video that is falafel sandwich. So let's start making it. Step 1. Ingredients required to make red chutney are tomatoes, Kashmiri Mirchi, water, red bell pepper, red chili powder, chilli flakes and salt. First we'll take half glass of water. We'll add 3 de-seeded tomatoes, around 3 tablespoon bell pepper, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. I have 2 different kinds of dry chilies. So one is Kashmiri Mirchi and one is Guntur. So I'm going to add both, around 4 each. You all can add any kind of red chili, whichever you all have at home. We just need to make it spicy. Like this is going to be really spicy. Now we'll allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes. I've allowed it to cook for 10 minutes and I've allowed it to cool down. Now we are just going to blend all this together and sieve it. Step 2. To make fried pita bread. So take pita bread or falafel bread. And now we are just going to cut it into small pieces. This fried pita bread will give a very nice crunchy taste in your falafel sandwich. And just deep fry them till it's golden brown. Once the oil is heated, we are just going to this is done. Step 3. Ingredients required to make tomato parsley salad are tomatoes, parsley, salt, pepper and lime juice. First, just take 2 tomatoes and de-seed them and cut them finely. 3 tablespoons finely chopped parsley leaves, salt to taste, half teaspoon pepper. I have taken white pepper, you all can take black pepper as well, and around 1 teaspoon lime juice. Our tomato parsley salad is ready. Step 4. Ingredients required to make mixed salad are all 3 bell peppers, iceberg, cucumber, lime juice, pepper, salt and fried pita bread. Take all 3 bell peppers, 2 tablespoons each finely chopped, 3 tablespoons iceberg or lettuce leaves and around 2.5 tablespoons cucumber finely chopped, 1 teaspoon lime juice, half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon pepper, salt to taste. Just mix this. Just add the fried bread before serving it. So here we are just going to mix everything. Our mixed salad is ready. The final ingredients required to make the falafel sandwich are hummus, falafels, tahini. You all can check out the recipe for all 3 of them by clicking the I button on the right side of your screen. Then this is the mixed salad, tomato and parsley salad, red chili sauce and falafel breads or pita bread. Just cut the pita bread into half. First we are going to fill hummus. The tahini paste. Then the red chili sauce. Cut the falafel into 2. Put the tomato parsley salad, the mixed salad, just cover it with little hummus and chili sauce. Our falafel sandwich is ready. Similarly, we will make it with the other one. Our falafel sandwich sandwich is ready. If you like my recipe, give a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.